Alright, so usually, man, it's like really hard for me to get a comb through my beard, right? It's like it'd be hard, I'd be pulling. But today I'm gonna try a product. It's called Koils by Nature. So I'm gonna have my lovely wife apply the Koils. I gotta get her. We gotta have her apply and all that.
Okay. Alright, you wanna apply a dime size? No, I'm just joking.
Bam, is that enough?
Maybe a quarter.
Bam.
We like a lot of moisture. Wow.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
Wow.
Look how soft it is.
Good.
Mm.
Oh. Yeah. Ooh, yes, girl, you better stop. Ooh.
You wanna make sure you get it in, hit him with
Yeah, I never did that before, that.
Look at that. Really some nice product. Go in easy, doesn't leave behind a lot of residue.
I'm dry. Ooh, look at that. Hold on. Hold on, I'm doing it for the bottom of the neck. I know some brothers out there with some beards who's struggling to get that comb through the beard. But this right here gets it done. And if you take a close look, it ain't pulled off no hair off my face like the other product usually does. I ain't gonna call no names. But this stuff right here works, man. Koils by Nature Beard and Face Moisturizer.